Yeah, so the freaking birds came right down through the overhead fan, and now we're trying to catch it. This is the second time this has happened. It was about a year ago, and I got a bird in my freaking apartment. And I'm trying to, come here, buddy. That's okay. That's okay. Come here. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Not in the bedroom.
I'm sorry,
I
bro.
was about to do my fucking laundry. Where'd you go, motherfucker? Just gonna try to hide. Shit, I should have closed all the doors.
Oh, yeah.
Where did he go?
You fucking dog, man. Some bitch. He's flapping around in Dan's bedroom.
Oh yeah, there he is. He's by my tree. Okay, pal. Okay, let's grab that blanket. Sorry about this. I was just about to start some laundry. Get off my bed.
Oh.
Sorry.
So there he is whapping around.
This is what happens when you don't do fucking take care of the problem.
Oh,
my tree. Yeah, there we go. Thanks. Where'd he go?
He fucking down.
He hit the thing, didn't he?
Yeah, he knocked himself out of it.
Okay. Trying not to hurt him, but like, okay, calm down. It's okay. Don't worry. You're gonna tire yourself out, and you're gonna hurt yourself. Okay, there, I got him.
Yeah.
Okay. Just gotta get my hands on him without him biting me. That's okay. We're gonna let you out.
Fuck, bro, I'm sorry you gotta go through this, man. Oh, excuse my language.
Okay, hopefully I got him. I think I got him.
Well, he'd be flapping around otherwise.
Open the outside door, please.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. You see why I needed a hand? Yeah. Thanks a lot. Okay. Hopefully he doesn't get out. I hope I got him in here. I should have. Let's just bring him outside there, pal. You grabbing that? Thanks. Alright. We'll close that so that it doesn't get back in. Close the door. I got the keys. Maybe you're right. See, our vents I don't think come into that one. I think that one's from your floor. And ours go up to the roof. Okay. There you go.
Well, you saved him.
Yeah.
You got more of a heart than I do. I would have.
That's the second time.
Yeah, you're right. Oh, you know what?
Unless they converge.
I bet you to go with the other side.